Hi, my name is Greg Dawkins and I'm the Capital Projects Manager in the Public Works Department for the City of Greenville. Project management is basically planning, organizing, and implementing a project. It means you want to keep it on time, on budget, and you got to define the scope of what you're trying to do so you know whether you have a finished product at the end of that project. So a project can be something big and complex to something small and simple. It can be replacing a sidewalk on a city street, or it can be building Unity Park, which is a 60-acre, pretty big project. So I graduated from Clemson University with a degree in civil engineering. There was no particular reason why I went into engineering other than I was good at math and science. So math and engineering are what I do every single day, whether it's approving a pay request for a contractor or coming up with an alternative to a plan that doesn't work. Because sometimes in the field, what's on paper doesn't work in the field, so you got to come up with a different solution. Another part of technology that we get to use almost weekly here is flying a drone. Drone is extremely beneficial to the city because we're able to use it in a number of ways. We can track progress on construction sites. We can take before, during, and after photos from the sky, which gives you a completely different vantage point. No 2 days are ever the same, and so it's just a very enjoyable job.